All right, hello pre-AP. This week your homework is going to be to add to your grammar notes and then to practice. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the notes that you need to do. So watch this video, fill out your notes in your notebook so your notebook looks like mine, and then you will go ahead and practice. So like I said, you will need your notebook. I have my first period pre-AP notebook, and I am going to head to slide 20. We started our grammar notes on slide 17 with nouns, adjective, verbs, adverbs, and pronouns. Today we are going to hit prepositions and interjections. So go ahead and head to slide 20 and we will get started. So a preposition is a word that combines with a noun or a pronoun to show direction, time, or location. You're probably like, wow, that's a really complex definition. And honestly, I'm going to have to agree with you. I think prepositions are probably the hardest part of grammar. So we're going to use a lot of sentence practice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight common examples, and I'm just going to move it down so I can open sentence practice and move my box down so I can show y'all some examples, right? So in sentence practice, I'm going to put my cursor over the letters so it will select. And then once my cursor is there, I'm going to push enter. I'm going to go find my numbered list. So it's 1, and we can go ahead and get started. So my first sentence practice is John was in the expensive store. So the definition says that the word combines with a noun or pronoun to show direction, time, or location. So I know that my nouns, I'm going to highlight all of my nouns in light blue. And I know that my nouns are John and store, right? Those are my nouns and pronouns. My nouns and pronouns are going to be highlighted in light blue. And then I'm going to highlight my prepositions in yellow, just so we're not confused. So regarding the first sentence, it says John was in the expensive store. So I know that a word that combines with a noun or pronoun to show direction, time, or location. Do we have any direction? No. Do we have any time in this sentence? No, but we do have a location, right? Store. Where was John? He was in the store. So in actually correlates with John being in the store. John was on top of the store. Then on top of would be your preposition. All right, let's go to our second example. Evan drinks coffee every morning on the couch. So that we know that Evan and couch are our nouns. So I'm highlighting those in blue. Now I'm looking for something that tells me direction, time, or location. Well, we have every morning, but that's not necessarily saying a certain time. So that's not it. We don't have a direction, but we do have a location that he is on the couch. So I'm highlighting on because that is telling me location again. Third sentence. We waited until Alex arrived before we started. We waited until Alex arrived before we started. So I'm going to go ahead again and highlight my nouns, which are we. That's a pronoun. And Alex. That's obviously a proper noun. We waited until Alex arrived before we started. So I don't have any location now, right? Because we don't know what we're starting, where we're starting. I don't have a direction, but I do have a time. Until. I waited until, right? So that's showing once he got there, Then that was the time that we started. Until. So until is my preposition. The fourth example is he walked around the tree. So my pronoun is he and tree. I don't have a time. I don't have a location, but I do have a direction. The direction is around the tree. And the last one is somebody's phone rang during the movie. Oopsies. Somebody's phone rang during the movie. So obviously somebody's, oopsies, is your noun. Phone is also a noun. And movie is also a noun, person, place, or thing, right? Somebody's phone rang during the movie. I don't have a direction like around. I don't have a location like in or on, but I do have a time like until. When? During. So during is my preposition. Like I said, I know that this is pretty hard and complicated, but common examples are actually pretty simple and it makes it easier once you see them listed, right? So common examples are at, for, in, off, on, over, under. And then I'm going to post a website on the hub where you can also look at other common examples. And I'm going to paste that website here. Oops. And I'm going to post that website here just so you know to post it from your notebook there. All right, so I'm going to pause this video and make another one for interjections, but that is prepositions.